Cognizant of the vital role judicial authorities play in the fight for justice for the survivors of gender-based violence, the International Federation of Women Lawyers Cameroon, with acronym FIDA, has carried out an awareness seminar with some lawyers, magistrates and judicial police officers.
This is a workshop organized for lawyers, magistrates and judicial police officials, and it is meant to encourage us apply international laws when we are handling cases of violence, GBV, SGBV, whatever form of violence. Because on a daily basis, survivors, they find themselves before the police stations, they find themselves before the courts. Lawyers have to defend them and magistrates to have to prosecute perpetrators.
During the session, participants were drilled not only on the international human rights laws, but also on the provisions of the national text relating to the different types of abuse and violence.
Another view that maybe we don't have laws that we can use to prosecute cases of violence, but at least today the presentation showed that we have enough laws that we can use just at the national level to prosecute cases of violence. Because you have laws that punish sexual harassment, we have laws that punish rape, we have laws that punish trafficking, and many other in our national penal code.
These participants are, however, expected to not just savour the knowledge acquired, but act on it subsequently. As FIDA officials say, there are follow-up mechanisms to oversee the application of this knowledge.
We always do a baseline survey and we do an end-line survey. And when we are doing that, it's a way of follow-up. And the results will show us, are indicative whether they are implementing or not.
The International Federation of Women Lawyers Cameroon has contributed its own quota in sensitizing these judicial authorities on laws concerning gender-based violence, but the survivors equally have a bigger role to play by breaking the silence syndrome, because these judicial authorities may not have a case to apply this knowledge if survivors do not speak up.